Hello, Sassy Paper Crafters. I'm Sarah Chatello with Sassy Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and this is a box. This is the latest thing I've ordered from Stampin' Up, and I thought I would give you a look at what's inside. So recently we had Sale-A-Bration in January and February, and if you were a demonstrator, you earned product credits for sales and for having a downline. So I earned some free products during Sale-A-Bration. Now, if you'd like to earn free products during Sale-A-Bration, we have another Sale-A-Bration coming up in July and August. So if you sign up and join my team, you could earn free products too. So this is all stuff that I've earned. Actually, it's not. I lied. I have two things in this box that I have learned on this box, but this one here, and then I have a big box down there. We're going to save those till the end. So I've ordered some champagne rhinestones jewels. I love these, and I use them a ton. So I need more. And then I got a bunch of adhesive, Stamp and Seal. And yep, that's Seal too. I go through this a lot with my projects. So I also got some Seal Plus refills because I need it. And I noticed too that I was out of mini dimensional, so I got 2 packs of those. I have here, what is this? Oh, the Bumblebee gingham ribbon. Let me see if the camera will focus on this. There it is. Super pretty ribbon. This is also another demonstrator perk. This is a notebook I ordered, and this is the Stampin' Up Floral Notebook, and this is in the supply items. If you are in, or maybe it's not supply items, logo items, if you're a demonstrator. Also these pens, because I use a lot of notebooks and a lot of pens. This is the Take Your Pick die brush tip. This is a very big box. Wow, that's a very big box for this one little thing. But that's all it is, and it goes on my Take Your Pick tool, which is here. So it just, you take this off, and you put that on, and it helps get out the little intricate pieces out of die cuts. So I'm excited to use that. This is a Take Your Pick tool, and this is actually a prize for my party in my VIP group. So if you want in on that party, you need to join my VIP group, and the link for that will be in the description of this video. Another Seal Plus. And this is small grid paper for the thing that's in this box. And the other one are just hostess forms there. Not too exciting. So if you host a party, it's just hostess forms. Woohoo. But let me show you this. I'm really excited for this. I'm getting married in less than a year now. So I need to make my invitations. I need to make party favors, things like that. I'm doing it all myself. So I ordered the Stamparatus. Super, super excited about this. So let me just take everything out and show you quick. And then I have one more thing that this is one of the things I got for free. And then I have the other thing that I got for free and that I'll show you here in a minute. But this just fits. That's grid paper. It's not actually blank like that, but it fits in there. And these are the plates that go on it. These also have grids on them, so you can line your stamps up. Get this box out of the way. Hang on. My messy workspace there. I was working on some things, but these just click into place. And my grid paper's in the way, so it doesn't close all the way. Now I can have perfect placement of my stamp. There, that's in there. Let me move my grid paper and show you. And that's the grid that comes out. And there's also, it comes with a foam mat for when you're using photopolymer stamps. You just press it down, put your stamp on there, and you feel, whoops, I didn't get it all linked up. I'll do it again and press it down. I'm so excited about that. So let me now show you the big thing that I am so excited about. It even came in its own box. Maybe I should open this on my chair because it is, according to the label here, it is 12 pounds. I bet you can guess what it is. Let me try to get in there. And again, like I said, I got this for free during Sale-A-Bration. And if you would like to earn free items during Sale-A-Bration, more than just what Stampin' Up provides to customers, then I would love to have you on my team. There is a link down below to join. If you had any questions about joining or anything I can answer for you, I'd be more than happy to do that. You can always reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, email me. I try to be available for things like that. I am struggling with this box, you guys. They really taped it up. Okay. Open it up, and there's another box. Oh, no, it's cardboard. Can you guess what I ordered? I am so excited. Take the plastic off so I can reveal it to you. I got the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It is so pretty. And these just fold down. And I have to put the handle on, which is still in the box. And there's a little screw and an Allen wrench to put everything together. I'll have to do that a little later. And it also comes with, if I can get it open, this is a Stampin' Cut and Emboss Machine Quick Start Guide. Plate number 4. Show you that. So, and they're all numbered and labeled, so it makes putting your sandwich together super easy. And then 2 cutting plates. You saw my face there for a second. That's okay. And then the number 2 plate and the number 1 platform. So I'm going to have to play with this, and I will do another video on me using this and putting everything all together. I just wanted to show you because I am so excited, and these just fold up for storage, which is going to make my life so much easier. And then I'll be able, because it's smaller, I'll be able to show you die cutting on camera now in my lives and things like that. So I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, all the links for everything I mentioned here are in the description of this video. See you next time.